64 Corvette Convertible, and you may have caught the tail end of that power hood release, and that is, of course, a 67 big block hood. All kinds of stuff going on with this mid-year.
We mentioned how there was just a plethora of customs here today in Las Vegas, and this is another example. Pro build all the way. Look at that engine compartment, huh? That is a 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower LS3, and it's been dyno tuned. So the actual output of that engine is probably much higher than that. This is a fresh build too, only a couple of years old. The frame completely powder coated. The inside of the car itself, the interior, all restitched. Custom red leather bucket seats. Oh yeah, vintage air, aftermarket gauges with digital accessories. The suspension, there's nothing original about the suspension on the 64 Corvette. All high-end replacement parts, and as it rolls right by us right now, it just can't help but just make you crazy to try to catch all of the modifications that have gone into this car.
Hey, I just got a text from JK's wife, Christine. Even though he's a little under the weather, she just said he's doing cartwheels over this Corvette.
I believe it, yeah. No, we love these mid-years that are taken to the distance like this one right here. Look at that money on it.
Oh, man. And the reserve's off, too.
135. Right. That's right. They slow down, you slow down. Hopefully you win on the slow downs.
Phone bidder and internet bidders.
You didn't come back quick like last time, so that's a good sign.
Involved, I think.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, those wheels are C6 wheels. Staying in the family. OEM wheels that have been chromed.
Yeah,
what a
you saw that already, huh? So we need to be
to the rest of that Corvette. Side exhaust.
Let's go 145.
Those are the correct OEM style side exhaust.
The difference between 135 and 145 is you don't own it. So let's try one more time. I won't beg you again. 145.
Is that right?
Hammer's going up, sir. Hammer's up. Yeah.
Okay, there it is.
Definitely didn't get that
one. What a Corvette.
I think you're on the list for another one, aren't you?
One moment 435 produced, has resided in Palm Springs, California area since inline 600.